welcome back to Call of Duty. We are going to be playing probably Search and Destroy, maybe some TDM, but for now, I'm going to be basically playing Search with the shotgun, and we will see how that goes.
Dude, there's a guy just like camping on me, Lathan. Oh, I suck. So that guy's just literally sweating. Crazy.
Well, this might be a whole sweaty team.
Well, I think we're playing a 6-man. Did it say we're playing a 6-man?
No,
like in
other than it's literally the only solo is Pink on Dex, who's like probably gonna be the best one.
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Look at Lathan, he has a shark on
Like
him.
that one actually would be easy to do, based on what I've seen.
I got him with a rocket launcher is crazy.
No, like the rocket launcher's
Okay, well,
busted.
I've died to that guy twice now.
Dude, I'm just back out.
Yeah, this is bad. This is a
I'm
bad
literally
lobby.
only
Dick, I got him
dying.
with a headshot with a rocket launcher.
That is a crazy loadout.
Are you looking at me, Jake?
Are you watching this, Jake? Are you watching Sanctus Slayer, whatever? You just missed like 6 snipes in a row. Just boom.
Oh.
Yeah, he died. Or no. Yeah, I'm watching Sanctus right now. He's using the semi-auto shotgun. He's running. He's not remains. Take them out. Oh no, he's not.
Down below my side.
Is one round. Get up and we can talk.
In the house there, I'm just gonna like pump shotgun one of them.
Eliminate the objective. We got the bomb.
I got him with a rocket launcher.
That's crazy.
In the sky.
Joe got
You
him
can
with the
barely
rocket
hear it,
launcher
but-
again.
Oh, he's so low. Nice job, user.
Let's go, baby. Oh no,
Another
he's
one
in the window again.
Dead.
He's down.
Initiative.
Wait, here. Come back here. Come back here.
Hold on.
Can you pick some of this?
Wait.
Pick some up, user.
Oh,
It's ammo. It's crazy.
I got some HKDS. Just sit in the back and wait for him to spawn in.
I hit him.
That's crazy. Look at the map.
Oh, really? You're sniping back? Wait.
There's one.
One enemy left.
There's 2.
Neutralize them.
Okay, Kydra. I'm really just like.
You are catching eyes over here. Keep up the effort.
What-
How? This building. Ooh, good night, FN.
Well,
Back up.
You know.
Baby.
That's crazy.
One enemy left. 3 straight.
Yeah, Danny Guy didn't know what happened. Look what happened, Lathan. Look what happened.
Right, that's right. Yep, right here, Joe.
Needle
Here
drone.
goes Dirk.
Mine.
Yo, he's in the window. He's in the window. Oh, he's on me. He got a care package and there's
Yeah, don't
three
kill
holes.
them. Let them pick up their
Care
care package and stuff. There you go.
Well, 4.
Dude, behind that Matic shreds. Like that thing fries you. Like that did so much damage.
Needle
See
drone.
him. That's insane. He does like the little drone to get him one shot, and then he just shoots the gun at him. If he come.
Oh, there's one more in the back of your spawn.
Planting the bomb. Charges dropped.
Probably from mid.
One
Right?
hostile remains. Take them out.
Let's try the
We
Maddox.
got the bomb. Bomb going down. The bomb has been planted.
He's in the window.
So it's hard to say.
Dude, there's two of them there. What the? What? Okay, two left side camping in their spawn. They're
Oh!
literally camping in their spawn.
That
now.
could have been a 4-man.
Megan authorizing to UAV.
Cooper getting hated is crazy.
They're just sitting in their spawn.
They're camping. Don't even push. They're
Megan
literally
marking
just sitting in the back so that they. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, I couldn't reload quick enough. Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. That is Black Ops Part 8 or something like that. Hope you guys enjoy these videos I make. I know they're not the greatest, like what an average YouTuber does, but you know I'm trying my best to just mess around and have fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video if you want to see more of this.